So this is in the C30, and I had a problem for a couple of months where it would have a really erratic idle. It's fixed now, but you'd be coming along when the car was cold, you'd come up to a stop and you'd stop and it suddenly would do this just by itself, just randomly, until the car was warm. And then once the car was warm, it was perfectly fine. And it did this for a couple of months. I tried a bunch of things to fix it and eventually got it fixed. So the first thing I did was took apart some of the air filter, looked for vacuum leaks and the throttle body, and that's what the next section of the video is on, looking at the throttle body. So this is showing where the throttle body was removed out the Volvo 2011 Volvo C30, and it had a really lumpy idle when it was cold, so I had heard that was one of the things to try. I had previously changed the seal on the inside of where the throttle body goes there, and the seals on this part of the manifold as well, and it didn't seem to help. So we'll have a look at this and see when this is cleaned if it does help. And then this is just showing the inside of the throttle body where it was cleaned with the this cleaner here, and it seems to have done a pretty good job of that. It looks clean to me, and then the actual disc does as well. So we'll put it back in and see how it goes. So this is back with the throttle body clean back in the car, and even doing that, it still had the same lumpy idle, just really exact same. So after doing that, the seals in the manifold here were changed, the spark plugs and the coil packs were changed as well, and that still didn't help. So I was getting kind of crazy by the end of that, so I thought maybe it's something to do with the fuel injector. So I got this seafoam and put it in the fuel tank, and that fixed it. So I really couldn't believe that's what it was, and it was such an easy thing to fix compared to doing all these other things. Especially taking that throttle body off is really super inaccessible where these bolts are, but in the end the seafoam did it and it's running great. So hope that helps someone.